Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Kushi.D from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE20IS014. So today's topic is window presentation styles. So today we will be discussing about window presentation styles in user interface design. Introduction to Window Presentation Styles in UID. Window presentation styles refer to the different ways in which windows are presented in user interface design. The choice of window presentation style can greatly impact the overall user experience. There are various window presentation styles available, each with its own strengths and consideration. So in this slide, we will be discussing about traditional window presentation style. The traditional window presentation style is characterized by rectangular windows with a title bar, menu bar, control buttons. So in the traditional window presentation style, predominantly we will be using rectangular windows with title bar, menu bar and control buttons. This style provides a familiarity with ease of use for users as it resembles physical windows. Traditional window presentation style is commonly seen in operating systems like Windows and macOS. So it's mainly seen in Windows and macOS. So tiled window presentation style. So tiled window presentation style involves arranging multiple windows in a non-overlapping manner. This style helps optimize screen space by allowing users to view and interact with multiple windows simultaneously. Tiled window presentation style is often used in productivity applications or for multitasking purposes. So the one good advantage in tiled window presentation style is it optimizes screen space by allowing users to view and interact with multiple windows simultaneously. So next we have is floating window presentation style. Floating window presentation style allows windows to freely move and overlap each other. This style provides flexibility for users to position windows according to their preferences. Floating window presentation style is commonly found in graphic design software or video editing application. So these are the two places where floating window presentation style is commonly found, that is graphic design software and video editing application. So next we have is tabbed window presentation style. So in the tabbed window presentation style, it organizes multiple windows as tabs within a single window. So what happens here is windows will be organized as tabs in a single window. So this is one main advantage of tabbed window. This style helps users switch between different windows quickly and efficiently. Tabbed window presentation style is often used in web browsers or text editors. So one simple example I could give, because like most of them would have been seen it. When we go to our Chrome browsers and we try to browse many things, how we can use the multiple tabs. Like in one particular tab we will be searching for something, and in next we want to search some other thing, so we can use other tabs. So like that multiple tabs can be used. So this is one very good example for tabbed window presentation style. So next we have is full screen window presentation style. Full screen window presentation style maximizes the use of the entire screen for a single window. So the single window will be occupying the entire screen. So that is the reason it is called as full screen window presentation style. This style provides a focused and immersive experience for users, eliminating distractions. So, when the single window is occupying the full screen, there will be no distractions. So, this will be eliminating the distractions. So, which means we are enhancing the user experience. So next point we have is full screen window presentation style is commonly used in media playback applications or presentation tools. So when we are presenting something, when we are doing slideshow, we will be occupying the full screen. That is, one single slide will be occupying the full screen. So that is a very good example for full screen window presentation style. So next we have is sliding window presentation style. Sliding window presentation style involves transitioning between different windows by sliding them in and out of view. This style adds a dynamic and interactive element to the user interface. Sliding window presentation style is often used in mobile applications or touch-based devices. So next we have is notification window presentation style. Notification window presentation style displays important information or alerts in a temporary window. This style ensures that users are informed without interrupting their current task. Notification window presentation style is commonly seen in messaging applications or system notifications. So very simple example what I would like to give is in suppose we are working on our systems and we are doing some work. So sometimes we will be getting notifications. So that notifications will not cause any interruption or trouble for our current task or current work. So that is the way of design is done using notification window presentation style. So that is commonly used in messaging applications or system notifications. So next we have is custom window presentation style. Custom window presentation style refers to unique and innovative approaches to presenting windows. This style allows designers to create a distinct user experience tailored to the specific application or brand. Custom window presentation style requires careful consideration of usability and user expectation. So next we have is factors to consider in window presentation style selection. So user needs and preferences should be the primary consideration when choosing a window presentation style. So when the designer is designing the window presentation style, the main key points what he need to have is he should be thinking about the user needs and their preferences. So next is the nature of the application and its intended use cases should also influence the selection. Consistency with the overall user interface design and visual hierarchy is crucial for a cohesive experience. So when a user is using a system, he need to be satisfied. So that is nothing but when the designer is going to design, he needs to maintain that consistency and visual hierarchy. So when the user is looking at the system, he need to feel good. So that is nothing but visual hierarchy and everything should be placed, the alignment should be proper. So these are some of the key factors need to be considered in designing a window presentation style selection. So usability guidelines for window presentation style. So clear visual cues should be provided to indicate window hierarchy and relationships. Responsive resizing and scaling should be implemented to accommodate different screen sizes. Accessibility considerations such as keyboard navigation and color contrast should be taken into account. So here what it means is sometimes the laptop is small, sometimes the laptop is big, or any gadget or system will be in different sizes. The screen size will be different. So when the designer is designing something, he need to have these points in mind, and he need to design so that it fits in all the screen sizes. So next we have is advantages of choosing the right window presentation style. So in this we will be having enhances user productivity and efficiency by providing an intuitive and seamless interaction, improves user satisfaction and engagement, leading to increased adoption and usage, supports the overall branding and identity of the application or system. So these are some of the advantages. So next we have is limitations and challenges of window presentation styles. Overuse or misuse of certain window presentation styles can lead to cluttered or confusing interfaces. Designing for multiple window presentation styles can be complex and time-consuming. Ensuring cross-platform compatibility and consistency can be a challenge. So some of the best practices for window presentation style implementation. Conduct user research and usability testing to gather insights and feedback on the chosen window presentation style. Continuously iterate and refine the design based on user feedback and evolving needs. So how a designer can improve these things is by taking feedbacks from the user and conducting usability testing, researchers, and he needs to know what are the needs of the user, and he need to get the feedback. So and document and communicate the chosen window presentation style guidelines to ensure consistency across the design team. So next we have is examples of successful window presentation style implementation. So Microsoft Office Suite effectively utilizes the tabbed window presentation style for seamless document editing and organization. Adobe Photoshop employs a floating window presentation style to provide flexible and customizable workspace for graphic design. Google Chrome browser leverages the tiled window presentation style for efficient multitasking and web browsing. So in conclusion, window presentation styles play a vital role in user interface design, impacting usability and user experience. Designers should carefully consider user needs, application requirements, and visual hierarchy when selecting a window presentation style. By implementing the right window presentation style and adhering to best practices, designers can create intuitive and engaging user interfaces. So thank you for watching my video. Please do like and share.